Chris Elda Dujamashi blesses herself with a flashy new ride. Chris Elda Dujamashi is riding into the weekend and the rest of the year in style. The radio personality blessed herself with a flashy new Jaguar that oozes style and sophistication. According to Jaguar South Africa's website, the car retails for just over R700k. While the rest of us are still grappling to come to terms with huge dent the petrol price has left in our pockets, Chris Elda is out here spoiling herself. And we're totes here for that. Here's a peek of Chris Elda driving out the showroom in her new baby.